Hey, what is up guys? It's your boy here, the Redstone Ruler, and welcome back to How to Make a Game Like Piggy Part 2. So, last time we got this done. Hold up. I'm also going to be leaving a link to there are going to be Roblox developer forums if you guys do not understand what's happening. So I'm going to leave a link to the camera developer forum and the camera manipulation forum. I think that we are going to be using both of those in today's episode because we're doing the camera part. So so we don't have to do this like I'm doing with my character. So yeah, but last time the shop doesn't work. But last time we got the play button to work and everything else to disappear. Well, today we're going to be, I'm going to just hide the UI. We're going to basically add, you can click up here, or right click and click insert an object or insert part, I'm pretty sure, because if you were to insert object, I'm pretty sure that there's a part option. Yeah, so you can either click a plus sign, insert an object, insert a part, or you can click up here. So we're just gonna click up here. So I think it's set to one stud by default. So I'm gonna move my part up in the air. You're gonna wanna scroll down to surface, then you wanna go find front surface, then you wanna click hinge. Then, now we know where the front surface is. So then, we're gonna actually do that. Then, you can rename it to, hold up. We can rename it to Cam Part 1. Then do Ctrl-D on your keyboard, or if you're using a Mac, then do Command-D. Then, we're gonna actually Then, we're gonna rotate it. Yeah, if you didn't know, to undo, you do Ctrl-Z, and to redo, you do Ctrl-Y. Oh yeah, I got something else to show you guys. I forgot to show you guys in the last episode. But then you can move it out however far you want. It doesn't matter. So, oh yeah, and wanna know how I got so close to it so fast? If you press F on your keyboard, then it focuses your the camera in Roblox Studio to the part or whatever. Just in case if there's like thousands of parts, then you can click on one specific one and then you can press F. Okay, so now we're gonna grab both of them, then set the transparency to 1. So if you're to press 1 and then hold Ctrl and press it, or if you're to press Shift, but I would prefer Ctrl because, for instance, the camera, I want to select camera part 1, I click Shift, then it selects everything. But I power just press that, and I want the camera part 2, I just hold Ctrl and press it. So yeah, but I would basically prefer Ctrl, or I'm pretty sure it's going to end on Mac. Anyhow, I do Ctrl because I'm on Windows. Well, a PC, not a Mac or anything like that. Anyhow, basically, we're gonna be scripting in today's video. So, the first script is gonna be put inside of our main menu. We're gonna put a local script and call it camera. Then we're gonna type this local player is going to be equal to game.players.local player. Then enter local local character is equal to player.character player.character or player.characteradded. So local character is going to be equal to player.character or player.character added. Then do it : wait. Be sure not to do dot wait, do colon wait, okay? Then we're gonna, sorry, I just had to move my mic. Then local camera is going to be equal to workspace dot current camera, not camera. For some reason, Roblox makes us do workspace dot current camera and not just workspace dot camera. We cannot do that. I do not know why, but do workspace dot current camera, okay? Make sure it says current camera, not just camera. Okay, then you can do repeat, wait, then enter, then there should be an until, then do camera dot camera type is going to be equal to enum. You can do a string, which then you could just type script inside of it, but I would prefer the enum instead. So then do enum. So camera type equals enum dot camera type dot scriptable. Then if you were to do, oh wait, no, not enter. Then you go to until, then you type camera dot camera type equals, make sure there's two equals, not one. Then do enum dot camera type. We're going to be using enums and not strings probably for whenever we're doing the cameras and stuff like that. So yeah, but if something needs a string, then we'll probably have to do it. But then do character dot C frame, the C and the F have to be capital. Oh yeah, and also if some of the stuff isn't working, then make sure you guys are having the names correctly. So for instance, player, say that you had that at lowercase p. Then right here it would say it's incorrect. It's actually very strict, but anyhow, yeah. But it's because capital P isn't a variable if that's lowercase. Then the capital player, I'm pretty sure, isn't a variable, so it shouldn't work. Something around that. So yeah, sometimes you have to have something as a capital, and sometimes you have to have something as a lowercase. For instance, if I were to put repeat at capital R, then it's wrong. It has to be lowercase r. And if you're to do script.parent, if you're to lowercase p, then that's wrong. It has to be capital. Okay, just to let you guys know. So make sure you guys are typing exactly what I'm typing, okay? But anyhow, then after we do the camera.cFrame, then we can do equals workspace dot, and then whatever your first camera's name was. So mine is cam part 1 dot cFrame. And I forgot to mention the second camera. You should probably name cam part 2 something. Like you can name it camera part. Who knows? You can name it anything. Anyhow, that was the first script, camera script. Then if we're to click play, I'm pretty sure some of the background noise is probably just my fan. Sorry, because yeah, I have my fan blowing at me. Anyhow, and now I'm clicking to move my camera around. I can't. And look, now we're stuck. See? Isn't that cool? Then, actually, if you were to click 0, make sure the hinge, which is the little thing, is facing the camera. And yeah, I already told you to go to surface and go front surface and then click hinge, but when you go to transparent, then it makes it go away. Well, then next is the play button. So we're gonna add a whole new local script. So this local script is gonna be I'm gonna rename it actually to B so we don't get confused. This one's gonna be the play. Oh wait, no. Yeah, play. No. Yeah, play BTN. Well, this one's going to be the play BTN camera. I don't know. You can name it whatever. But I'm just naming it Play BTN Camera. Sorry, my mic was mute. Anyhow, oh, why did I say mute? I meant muted. Anyhow, so now we have to do local camera is equal to game.workspace.current camera. Enter local tweening. Part is going to be equal to game.workspace.cam part 2. Make sure it's the second one and not the first one, because if it's the first one, then that can be bad, because the way it's made, it has to be the second one and not the first one, because that can accidentally, well, it wouldn't work if you did the first one. So make sure it's your second camera part. Then you can do, oh, wrong, I accidentally clicked shift. Then do local TS equals game:get service tween service script.parent.mouse button one click on connect function parentheses, then enter camera type is going to be equal to enum.camera type scriptable. Enter local tweening info in, oh, I accidentally messed up. Info dot, oh wait, no. Then we have to do equals tween info dot new, then 1 comma enum. Well, this number right here is how fast it is. I set it to 1. You could set it to any number, but I would prefer 1 maybe, because it seems better. You can mess around with it if you want, but then do easing style dot linear, I'm pretty sure. Then we have to do comma enum dot easing direction dot out dot, not dot, comma 0. Then we can press enter, then do local part properties PROPERTIES equals, then make sure you do the brace brackets, not parentheses, the brace brackets, or I meant braces or curly brackets, whatever you call them. Then do C frame equals tweening part dot C frame, then local tween equals TS create camera comma tweening, oh, I meant info, not tweening part, not that. Do tweening info comma, then do part properties, and then do enter, and then tween play, and then parentheses. And now if I were to click the play button, then when we click the play button on our menu, my camera should move. So watch. Oh, I know why now. Make sure, select both of them. Make sure they're anchored and can collide is off. It's because the second part fell, so we have to have it anchored. And I like to have them can glide off. So now, play. And ta-da, didn't you see that? But now, say you wanted to move backwards, then just duplicate the play button. Then we can rename it to back button. BTN I meant. Back. So now, instead of saying, then we can change the text color to 55. So we can change it to red, like the shop. Then we can just move this down like that. Then we can change the text from play to back. Then we can go to the play BTN script. We can rename this to back BTN and then change, then we can do back BTN camera or whatever you name the script. Anyhow, next is going to be change the play BTN, local play BTN to local back BTN and then back BTN, back BTN, and then change false to true, and then change, so change every single, because all these were set to false, but now set them all to true, so it shows them. And now, if we were to go to the back BTN camera, all you have to do is just change your camera to the first camera so that it brings it backwards. Okay, so that's why, because then if you're gonna click it, then it wasn't gonna do anything. Actually, I forgot. Then after you're done with that, then you can just go and click back, and then you can go and click visible false. Then we can click play. Now it should work. Okay? So yeah. Let's wait. Okay, so shop still does nothing. Play and check the output. Okay, no errors. So why didn't it show up? That's weird. Local blah 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 blah. Set back button dot visible is going to be equal to true. Maybe. Okay, so I set back button dot visible false, but this is weird. So I'm gonna go into the play BTN camera, then we can set another variable called back BTN is going to be equal to script.parent.parent.back BTN. So then we can do back BTN.visible. It's going to be equal to true. There we go. Then it's going to make it visible, and then when it's clicked, it's going to set that to false, true, but now we have to set a new variable for the play button, so local play BTN is going to be equal to script.parent.parent.play BTN. Then we can go to right under the back BTN, we can do play BTN dot visible is going to be equal to true. Then when we click play now, when we click so when we click the play button, the back button should pop up. Nope. This is weird. Why isn't it working? back button dot visible is going to equal to true. So then, is it showing it? So I'm going to have to go and see something. Hold up, actually nah, we can debug it on camera. Okay, so let's go to the player, main menu, back button. Okay, so now visible, then we click play. It sets it to true, but it's not showing up for some reason. Where is it? Why isn't it showing up? Isn't that weird? What the heck? It's showing, it's just not working. What? Does this makes no sense. Maybe, oh my goodness, I'm so dumb, guys. Oh my goodness, you gotta bring the back button out of here, and now it's a whole separate thing. Then go back into the camera, then do not just .parent, then we have to do .parent, back btn. Now it should work. It's because we were hiding the mainframe, so anything that's a parent of the mainframe a child of the mainframe gets hidden as well. So yeah, now play, and the back button showed up when we click on it, but it did not disappear. It's because if we were to go to this, then script.parent, but then script.parent, but wait, no, we have to do script dot no, we have to put everything under the frame. Then we have to change this to script.parent.main frame, MAI, right? Or do we, yeah, it's mainframe. Script, .parent.main. So now, so then the play Pt.2 to mainframe, not mainframe, I'm at frame dot play btn frame dot shop, I'm at shop button. So now we clicked that, so now it should hopefully work. So you have to make sure all the stuff, the two variables, the play button and the shop button, are under the frame, or else it could not work. Yes, it works, but as you guys could tell, it looked very weird. So, and plus also with the back button. So now it does work, it just looks very weird. So now you can put in the play button camera a wait to before the back button. Then in the back button back button, we can put a wait to as well. Then it should give it some delay and it should go away. Okay? Not go away. Then it should give it a delay, then show. Okay? So play, so it doesn't auto show, and then, oh, that took a little too long. So, oh yeah, and that took a while to disappear. So I'm assuming we want to copy that, then put it before the main frame, then do maybe 1.5, same with the back button show appearance. So then, now this should work, guys. So yeah, if this works, then this is perfect, and we've done it. Okay? So, play. And then, back, then click. Yes! Okay, so guys, basically, there is a tiny delay, but it's very hard to see. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below so you'll never miss one of my videos. Thanks for watching, everybody, and goodbye. I, the Redstone Roller, am out. Have a safe and fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. Peace.